Welcome back to our Bluey camper build. Today we are installing the villa board in our kitchen. We decided to use villa board because it's fire resistant and we want to put tiles in our kitchen, so it makes a perfect backing board. Jason cuts it to length and width, and for those of you who thinks he should wear a mask, he can hold his breath for up to 5 minutes, so he's not breathing in the dust. And yes, he can swim underwater, completing 2 lengths in 1 breath. Moving on with the kitchen, we need to dismantle our kitchen bench so we can attach the villa board behind it. Villa board is made out of concrete, which is rigid and brittle. It requires structural fastening. In a house situation, you'd screw it to the wall, but in our truck, we have to use rivets. With the movement of the truck, the screws would work loose, so we rely on rivets and structural adhesive. We drill divots into the villa board to recess the rivet heads. Yay! It's actually in there. Jason pre-drilled the rivet holes in the villa board, and then he transferred the rivet holes into the aluminium structure. We removed the villa board to clean up so Jason could apply the MS to seal the edges and construction adhesive to bond the villa board to the aluminium structure of the truck. We reinstall the villa board and fasten it with rivets. The rectangular cutout in the villa board is for our 240 volt power, which I'll explain in a separate video. Lastly, we seal up the edges with MS. Pretty stoked with the outcome. Next we need to modify our kitchen plinth.